So this song's about fixing things. If I had a dime for every time I dreamed of you, I'd buy brand new, head right down to the hardware store. Drive right back home on a new lawnmower, but this one is all I can afford. So I get the fan, the extension cord, and check out why the gear shift sticks. I wanna be with you, but first I gotta fix the lawnmower. Wheels are shot, gearbox leaks when the grease gets hot. I gotta fix the lawnmower, get this grass back under control. I gotta fix the lawnmower, then we're gonna let the good times roll. You know you are my everything, my reason why the bluebirds sing, my mountaintop, my Ozark hill, my eagle and my whippoorwill, the end all be all, highest height, the air I breathe, my brightest light. I would die for you, but first I gotta fix the lawnmower. Gears are stripped, dang thing won't start, and the fan belt slips. I gotta fix the lawnmower. Grass this tall is probably a crime. I gotta fix the lawnmower, then we're gonna have a real good time. Frame in the yard by that old wash machine, I see amber waves of grain, and underneath the trampoline is a Serengeti plain. Well, you know I'll always be by your side every chance I get, and I'd love to see the world with you. Just not quite yet, 'cause first I gotta fix the lawnmower. Seat comes loose, I tried duct tape once, but it wasn't no use. I gotta fix the lawnmower. First I gotta fix the lawnmower. Well, some say love is diamond rings, but to me it's jokes and fixing things that handle on your coffee mug, the corner of the bathroom rug. We could both be doing something else, but this lawnmower ain't gonna fix itself. I show you all my magic tricks, but you gotta wait, 'cause first I gotta fix the lawnmower. Blades are broke, gear block, carb is broke, and the clutch won't choke. I gotta fix the lawnmower, get this grass back under control. Gotta fix the lawnmower. Whoa! First I gotta fix the lawnmower. Whoa! First I gotta fix the lawnmower. Then we're gonna let the good times roll. Thank you.